So in video 2, we took a look at what happens when the price is above the equilibrium. And when that occurs, it creates a surplus. So the price above the equilibrium price. Now the equilibrium price and quantity, let's review that real quickly. So the equilibrium price and quantity, this location right here, where the quantity demanded is equal to the quantity supplied. So the equilibrium price at this point in this example is $15 and the equilibrium quantity is 6. When the price is above here and here, when it's above the equilibrium price, it creates a surplus because there's not enough demand to buy at that higher price. There is some demand, but not enough to clear the market. It creates this surplus. Now let's take a look at what happens when the price is below the equilibrium price. So in our same graph, except this time we're taking a look at a price of $10. Let's see what happens. That puts us right here. And when we come across, we see that here is the supply. At a price of just $10, suppliers are willing to supply 3 units. But because the price is low, the demand is for 10 right here. And so then what happens is that this area shaded here in purple, all of this, represents the area of shortage at a price of $10. How do we figure this amount? How do we get 7? Well, the quantity demanded is 10. The amount of supply is only 3. So 10 minus 3 equals 7. So that is the shortage. So to review, the thing to learn is this: when the price is above the equilibrium, creates a surplus. And so that's something you can memorize. Price above the equilibrium, surplus. Price below the equilibrium, shortage. The whole point is that the give and take within the marketplace is that when there's a surplus, the price comes down so that the demand will go up. And then when the price is too low, then there's a shortage. So what that'll do is that these people that want the product can't get it. And so they start to become willing to pay more. And as they're willing to pay more, then the suppliers are willing to supply more because they need to make money. Equilibrium. And that concludes video 3, Price Adjusting Process.